Hello, I've just checked into the Reagan Suite, the presidential suite at Ashford Castle, the best suite in the house. So I'm going to give you a little tour. This is the living area. The fire already on, comes on automatically, day and night, depending on how cold it is. Rain jacket and wellies at the ready, because the weather here can be terrible. And this is the man after whom it's named, Ronald Reagan. They're enjoying a stay at Ashford Castle as well. The castle dates from 1228, so they've got quite a classic look going on. And they also, seeing as this dog is here, they've got two Irish wolfhounds that live on the property. You can take them for walks every morning, and they come into the lobby at 10 a.m. to say hello to everyone, and they're very, very friendly, very cute, huge. This is the four-poster bed. I haven't really seen this before, with a little TV set up in the corner there. Very plush. This is the first of the two bathrooms. Stocked with products from Voya, a nice Irish brand that I quite like from Sligo in the west, not too far away. So I think this is the third TV. No, fourth. There's one in the bathroom as well. There's a huge wardrobe, chaise lounge. There's that bed again. And then this is the main bathroom. There I am. Lots of voice stuff in the corner. There's the little tub. Little dressing area. And then one of the nicest features, I think, is that amazing view of Loch Corrib, the second biggest lake in Ireland.